Hello, and welcome to day 2 of our second week, Wednesday, February 17th. It is a Wednesday, that means it's an async day. So we will not meet together on class as a class in Zoom. Okay, so let's see what we have to do today. So I'm going through the steps on how to get to the work. Remember, you go to Welcome Back Spring Semester. We are finished with week 2. We are finished with week 1, excuse me. We are now in week 2, February 15th to the 19th. Yesterday was our day 1 because we did not have class on Monday, February 15th. So day 1 was yesterday, February 16th, and we are now in day 2, Wednesday, February 17th. So as you know, first thing, we will watch the video for today, and then you'll click async. You have 2 activities to do in async today. The first one is change agent. You are going to always remember, read everything before you begin. So you're going to read this article. Here is also the audio, so you can read and listen at the same time. And you are going to answer this question. What are the benefits and challenges of technology with Marlene's family versus with us here in 2021? What are our technology benefits and challenges? Now, you have 2 options. You can answer by typing your answer in the comment section, and it has to be at least 4 sentences. Please check spelling, or you can record your answer using audio or video. So let me show you. Here in the comments box, you can type your answer and check spelling. Remember yesterday I mentioned to type in Microsoft Word or Google Docs, check spelling and grammar, then copy and paste here. Or you can click this microphone and you can choose audio only, where you just speak your answer, or you can do audio and video where we can actually see you speaking. Okay, make sure when you select one that you'll see a pop-up box that says allows you access to the microphone. So you will click OK, allow. All right, and that's what you will do. So it is a paragraph. All right, and you'll be answering this question. Be sure to read everything clearly. If you have any questions, you let me know. All right. The second assignment is fragments and sentence review. So yesterday, you guys did a lesson on sentences and fragments. So today you will play a game. All right. So you click quiz and you type your name and you click start and you will play. All right. Be sure to put your first name, except we have a few of the same names in our class. So put your full name, complete first name and full last name, so I know who is who. Okay. And that's it for async. As I said before, it is asynchronous day, a Wednesday. So we will not meet for synchronous, but I will have office hours. So from 7 to 8, I'll be available, but I will be meeting with some people. So I will be available at 7:30. So normally I would be available from 7 to 8, but because I'm meeting with the rest of the class from last week, I will be available from 7:30 to 8:30 on Zoom if you have any questions about anything. All right. And that's it for today. Good luck.